This is the Teensy 4.1. Living up to its name, it's about 4 inches, and a wonderful SBC for a various amount of different projects. Today, however, we are going to get this little board ready to be inserted into a TrimUI brick to convert it into a mini beat pad, to convert the actual TrimUI device into a beat pad. This is just the SBC that powers it, basically piggybacking on the existing components in the brick. And since this little connector right here gets in the way of fitting inside the case all snug, we are going to be removing the wires from this USB-C cable and attaching them to the proper points in the Teensy 4.1. Your first step, however, is to find the perfect mini cord that you can solder on to the points. In this case, we just have a generic, simple USB-C to micro USB port. And it's about, let's say, 5 inches. We'll start in the micro USB port side and add some flux to the connectors. After you've desoldered the micro USB port, separate the wires carefully to the appropriate length. About 1 inch is perfectly fine. Make sure you match each wire to its appropriate connector. For example, 5 volt on V to 2 data ports in the middle and the ground port on the far right. Let's add some flux to the tips and straighten them out a little bit. That's a little better. We're going to add some flux to the desired ports. Your wire should be sticking out about that much. Next, we're going to do the 2 middle data wires, and lastly, the ground wire. Also, pay attention to which orientation you want the wire to come off of. In this case, we're having it come out the top, that way. And just like that, your Teensy board is ready for use. Now keep in mind, after you're done soldering, you want to clean off your area with 99% isopropyl alcohol and just make sure it looks and presents nice. And just for reference, the bottom of your board should look like this and match with the pins right here. So ground goes to ground, V goes to 5 volt, 5 volt right here, and ground. If this video helped you with your Teensy project, drop us a like. We'd appreciate it. Happy building!